Good afternoon. My name is Vivek Kumar Ray, and I'm a student of BCom second semester. And now I'm going to demonstrate a presentation on mercantile law. So today I'm going to cover these topics: introduction, its origin, and difference between agreement and a contract. So what is a mercantile law? Mercantile law is a body of rules and principles determining the rights and obligations of the commercial parties. Because it only revolves around the business, that's why it is called commercial law or a trade law. If we talk about its origin, so mercantile law is originally created in Europe to govern the transaction between the merchants. Over a period of time, due to its efficient end result, it spread from European to other Asian countries, even in India. If we talk about its difference, uh, an agreement is an understanding between the parties. That understanding should take into account the responsibilities and obligation of both parties. And a contract is an agreement between two parties that creates an obligation to perform or not perform a particular duty. The definition of contract and agreement sounds quite similar, but there is a difference. Like if we take a real life example, if I invited my Boston friend for a dinner, but first he accepted the invitation, but at the 11th hour, he decided to not to come. So, question may arise: will any legal action take against him? So the answer is no, because in agreement, the no legal action will take due to non-performing of duty, but in contract, legal action will take for non-performing of duty. So this is the major difference between agreement and a contract. That's all for today.